Hey guys, welcome back. I am Holli Mostella and I am so excited to show you this product from Counterculture. This is the Prime Time Primer. What's really cool about this product is this is going to replace your spray painting. So if you live in a cold environment or if you don't have a good ventilation, then this is the best thing for you to use as a primer for your tumblers. We all know that it's important to have a good solid base on a tumbler because you're just not going to get the same effect if you don't have a good foundation. So I'm really excited about this and I'm going to show you how to use it and all the tips and tricks along the way. So I already have 3 tumblers here. 2 I have painted and they are dried, but I'm going to show you how to apply the Prime Time to just a plain stainless steel wine mug. I'm going to be using the black for this project. I like the black because it's super pigmented, but I want to give you one little tip. If you like the white, you can add dispersion colors to the white to change them and tint them for your projects. So you don't have to have a color for everything. You can just add a little bit of dispersion color to the white to get the perfect base that you need. When you get your Prime Time and you're ready to start painting, just like with any paint, you want to give it a good shake or stir, and I've already done that. And then you want to prep your surface. So what I've done with the tumbler is I've washed it with warm water and some Dawn, and then I've lightly sanded it to give it a little bit of texture so that the Prime Time can really stick and adhere to it. I'll be using just a regular paintbrush. You can use a chip brush, any kind of brush that works best for you. But I have found that I use multiple layers and just using a regular paintbrush works. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit of Prime Time on here and then I'm just going to start and apply. I start in the middle of the tumbler and then just kind of feather it out. And you will be probably using more than one coat. I just let it dry about 30 minutes. It says on the can 20 minutes to an hour, but about 30 minutes in a warm room and it'll start to dry and then we can apply another coat. Okay, so I went ahead and painted this entire tumbler and then I'm just gonna add the last coat to it. And you can see how pigmented it is and that really good coverage that you need. The cleanup is easy too. If you get it on the inside of your tumbler, you're just gonna use a little bit of acetone. Some people have been using lemon essential oil, which is really neat, I think, and different to get that paint out on the inside. So we're just gonna let that dry and then it is ready to use for any project that you need. It's got that good solid base. There's not a lot of brush strokes. Let me spin it around here to the dry side. There's not a lot of brush strokes. You can see it dries really well, really fast, and it is the perfect alternative to spray paint. Okay, so the Prime Time, they come in 1 quart. These are the 1 quart sizes and these last forever. They last so long. A little bit goes a long way with this. So start with thin layers and then you can build and get the coverage that you need. I'm really excited that we have this primer as an alternative to spray paint for those of us that aren't available to use spray paint all the time. Thank you to Counterculture for creating this project. Thank you guys for watching and let me know down in the comments how much you love the new Prime Time Primer from Counterculture.